Imagine walking into a property deal where there's no bidding war, no overhyped marketing, just you and a seller ready to negotiate. Sounds like a dream, right? Here's the truth. Off-market properties are how savvy investors stay ahead of the curve. They are not just hidden gems, they are the secret weapon of property success stories. The question is, are you ready to use this strategy to get ahead? Today, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about off-market properties. We will cover why sellers choose this path, the pros and cons, and where to find these hidden opportunities, and how to evaluate them for the best deal. Stick around because I will also share a free resource to help you master the critical step of due diligence. Trust me, this one video you don't want to miss if you are serious about building wealth through property investment. Hi, I'm Rupali Rastogi, Senior Buyers Agent at Get Rare Properties. Over the years, I've helped hundreds of Australians. Most were first-time investors. They wanted to build low-risk, high-growth property portfolios. Off-market properties have been game changers for so many of our clients. And today, I'm sharing exactly why that is. If you are new here, welcome to Property Investment Insights. Subscribe for expert advice on Australian property market. Also, check the links below for our free masterclass and strategy call. Whether you are just starting out or ready to make your next move, we have got you covered. Here's a surprising fact. Up to 10% of Australian property transactions happen off-market. That means tens of thousands of opportunities every year, hidden from the average buyer. And here's the kicker. Many of these sellers are motivated, so you can negotiate better terms than in a competitive auction. But to take advantage of these deals, you first need to understand why properties are sold off-market. There are several reasons. First is speed. Some sellers need to move quickly. They might be relocating for a new job, finalizing a divorce, or handing an inheritance. Off-market sales avoid the delays of open homes and ads. They allow for faster transaction. Second, it saves sellers money. Selling a property publicly can be expensive. Think about the cost of professional photography, listing fees, and advertising. By going off-market, sellers avoid these expenses and focus on connecting with serious buyers. Then there's privacy. High-profile individuals or families may not want their property details shared publicly. Off-market sales keep everything discreet and low-key. Some sellers use this approach to test the waters. They might not be fully committed to selling and want to gauge buyer interest without launching a public campaign. And finally, exclusive listing. Some properties are sold only through trusted networks. These are often premium or highly desirable homes, and sellers trust their agents to match them with the right buyers. So as you can see, off-market sales aren't always about getting the highest price. They are often about convenience, speed, or cutting cost. And that's why understanding the seller's motivation is absolutely critical when evaluating an off-market deal. Off-market properties come with some amazing advantages. Think about this. No crowded open homes, no endless back and forth negotiations, and no bidding wars driving up the prices. That's the beauty of off-market properties. With less competition, you are in a stronger position to negotiate and secure the deal on your terms. Another huge benefit is access to exclusive deals. Some properties only available to those in the know. For example, we recently helped the client Ellie, who was a first-time investor. We secured an off-market property in Brisbane for $20,000 below market value. Ellie had been overwhelmed by the competitive auction scene, but with our help, she avoided that stress entirely. The seller wanted a quick, private deal. Ellie got an incredible bargain and the confidence to start her portfolio. Off-market sales also tend to move faster. These deals are perfect for buyers and sellers who need quick results. They avoid the delays of public marketing campaign. But here's the flip side. Off-market properties come with their own risk. Transparency is one of the biggest challenges because they aren't publicly listed. Off-market properties don't come with the same data you typically rely on, like comparable sales in the area. This can make it harder to gauge the property's true value. Overpricing is another issue. Without public competition to keep sellers realistic, some properties are overpriced. If you're not careful, you could end up paying far more than the property is worth. And finally, hidden problems. Sometimes properties remain off-market due to issues. These include zoning challenges, structural concerns, and low rental demand. This is why thorough evaluation is so important. The takeaway is this: smart investors are now using off-market properties. I predict as the property market heats up, competition will rise. Those who master the off-market approach will then leave everyone else behind. But remember, these opportunities are only as good as the homework you do. Skip due diligence, and even the best deals can turn into costly mistakes. So where do you even find these deals? Let me share a few strategies that work.
The first and easiest way is to partner with buyer's agent. At GetRare Properties, we have vast networks. They give our clients access to off-market, tailored opportunities. Next, build relationships with local agents. Many real estate agents reserve their off-market listings for trusted clients. The stronger your network, the better your chances of being offered these deals. Another option is direct outreach. You can send letters or approach property owners directly in areas you are interested in. While this method requires time and effort, it can yield incredible results. And don't underestimate the power of your personal network. Let your friends, family, or colleagues know you are in the market for a property. You'd be surprised at how often opportunities come from unexpected places. Finding an off-market property is just half the battle. The real challenge is making sure it's the right deal. So how do you evaluate them? Start with comparable sales data. Even if the property isn't publicly listed, research recent sales in the area to gauge its fair value. Next, assess rental demand. Check vacancy rates, rental yields, and demand for similar properties. If there's no rental demand, it's probably not a good investment. Conduct a building and pest inspection. Never skip this step. Structural issues or hidden damage can turn what seems like a great deal into a costly mistake. Evaluate growth potential. Look at the area's infrastructure projects, local amenities, and long-term potential for capital growth. And finally, work with experts. This is where a buyer's agent comes in handy. We help investors tick every box before making a decision. For a detailed breakdown, check out our video on due diligence, which I've linked at the end of this one. It's packed with actionable tips to help you avoid costly mistakes. Off-market properties can be a game changer, but you need the right strategy. And that's where expert guidance comes in. Are you ready to turn property investing into a wealth-building journey? Book a free strategy call today, where we will show you exactly how to find and secure exclusive deals. Spots are limited, so act now to start before the best opportunities slip away. Not quite ready to book? Start with our free masterclass. It's packed with practical tips to help you get started the right way. These links are in the description below. Act now before you miss out. Looking for investment properties can feel like navigating a maze, right? What's one thing you find most confusing or frustrating? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have cracked the code on off-market deals, share your tips. Your experience could inspire someone just starting out. Please like this video, subscribe for more property insights, then watch our due diligence video, link on the end screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.